Review hub. Model SHC22. Capacity 22 liters/23 quart. Cooling range -20 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius /-4 degrees Fahrenheit to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Voltage 12 to 24 volts DC /110 to 240 volts AC. Zone size 12.8 by 9.6 by 10 inches /326 by 244 by 254 millimeters. Outside size 23.5 by 12.6 by 13 inches /597 by 320 by 335 millimeters. Power 45 watts. Power consumption 0.2 kilowatt hours/24 hours. Net weight 10 kilograms /22 pounds. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.